Hey guys, welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and we are going to make some awesome pineapple, mango and ginger juice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kylie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KylieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kylie J's Kitchen. So here I have one large mango. I also have my pineapple and I also have my ginger. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and remove the top of my pineapple. Be sure to always wash your fruits and your vegetables, guys. And then I'm going to go ahead and just chop up my pineapple in some desired size that my blender can manage, alright? I'm not going to remove the skin from my pineapple because this is all I wanted, but if you guys want, you can always go ahead and remove the skin. You can either boil the skin or just blend it as it is, alright? So now that my pineapple, they're all chopped up nicely, I'm going to go ahead and just slice up my mango. Again, for the mango, guys, I'm not going to remove the skin. Just as it is. You can get all of these ingredients at your local supermarket or grocery store, or you can even check the farmers market. You'll get even better produce there. All right, guys, remember to be creative in the kitchen and remember to be you. I try to make these videos as easy and simple for you guys and affordable. All right, so you guys can always go ahead and just be yourself and utilize whatever you have at home. All right, it's not a problem, it's not a crime to be creative. All right, so once my pineapple and my mangoes, they're all chopped up nicely, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and just chop up my ginger also. Again, you always want to chop up these items in the desired size that your blender can manage. So if your blender cannot manage large chunks of food, I suggest that you go ahead and just chop them up a little bit smaller. All right, so to my blender, I'm gonna add some of the ginger, then I'm gonna add some of the mangoes and some of the pineapples. Again, guys, let me just let you guys know, you don't necessarily have to use the skin on the pineapple. What you can do, you can always go ahead and remove the skin from the pineapple and you can go ahead and just boil the skin, and then that water that you boil the skin in, you can always go ahead and just use it and blend your fruits together. All right, so I'm gonna blend this until it is smooth because we want to get all of that juice, all right, all of that niceness. So guys, this is it. As you can see, it is nicely blended together. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna strain this, all right? And guys, remember not to add a lot of water to your fruits because you don't want it to be, your juice to be too watery, all right? Or they normally say too long. You don't want a long water juice around here, all right? So just take your time, and I suggest that you guys strain at least 2 times because sometimes some of that pulp from the fruits tend to get in your juice and you don't want that, all right? So this is it. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to continue to just strain and blend the rest of the fruits and come back and show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is it. This is all of the fruits nicely blended together. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and add just a small amount of granulated sugar to this. You guys can always go ahead and add brown sugar or any other sweetener that you have at home. Alright, and guys, look at the color. Listen, this color is so rich. Wow, I love it. So once it's sweetened, then we're going to go ahead and serve it up and show you guys the final product. This is so easy and simple, and I hope you guys love this one. Alright, so now it's time to go ahead and serve up this lovely juice. So I'm going to go ahead and just place my 2 mason jar on this nice cutting board, and then I'm going to serve it up ice cold, pour it out, and that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe today. I hope you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Remember to leave a comment and remember to like this video, guys. Remember to tell your friends about Carly J's Kitchen and your family members. Remember to just share across all social media platforms, guys. We're on our way to 5K subscribers and I can't wait. I just want to take you guys there with me to that grand 5K. So guys, thank you again for watching and see you guys tomorrow. I have some more awesome recipe coming your way and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So bye guys. Oh my god, I love my friends.